Namaskara, my dear ladies and gentlemen. How are you doing today? After an enriching corporate career of more than 25 years with Bosch, a world-class German multinational company, I founded Samuthana and created doHow, a smart, lean performance system for enabling individuals and companies perform better. Are you interested in performing better? Well, then doHow covers stakeholder analysis, current reality, career flows, business flows, strategy development, performance indicators, execution planning, process mapping, routine reporting, continual learning, problem solving, and routine dialogue. The most important thing for getting people energized. Please take a 15-minute self-assessment survey using the links provided in the description and get in touch with us to start performing better. Looking forward to hearing from you.